Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to create shape map in Power BI. So for this, we will go in the canvas of Power BI. In my previous videos, we have discussed about different charts. Kindly refer my previous videos. So page 1, page 2, page 3. Now we want to create shape map. Make sure that in File, Options and Settings, Options, Security, Use map and fill map visuals option is ticked marked. Click OK. Now click on the shape map. So in the location, select the state. In the legend, select the region. And in the color saturation, you can pick up the profits. Now activate the focus mode. Your chart is ready. Now hover your mouse on the region. So for the west region, the sum of profit, you can see for central, for east, and for south. Now we can format this visual. In this, we are having visual and general. Click on map settings. So you can change this country from here. Projection type, equirectangular. You can change the projection from here. So let's keep it Albers USA. Zoom, auto zoom on, zoom on selection on, manual zoom on. So when I click on any region, the zoom will get activated. The legends are displayed on top left. The position can be changed and you can bring it in center left. You can see here that the font of this legend can also be changed. Let us make it Times New Roman. The size can be changed. The color can also be changed. Title, which is written region, we can make it region wise. Fill colors. So here, these colors can be changed. Let's change one of the colors. Blank areas. So what to do in the blank areas? So we'll take a grayscale in the blank areas if they are there. These are the blank areas. You can select from here what you want. Borders, black color border is there. We can increase or decrease the width of it. See this. Now go in the general settings. Back to the report. Activate the properties. By increasing this number, the height of the chart will increase or decrease. The width of the chart will increase. Position. The chart will shift on the right hand side. The chart will move towards the bottom. Padding. If I increase this number, the white space on left hand side will increase. If I increase this number, the white space on right hand side will increase. This will increase the white space on top and this will be in the bottom. In advanced options, make sure maintain layer order is on. Title, it's written sum of profits by state. We don't want sum. So profit by state and region. The color can also be changed from here. The text color can be changed from here. Background. Horizontal adjustment, central alignment should be on. If subtitle is necessary, activate it and write down the subtitle. Divider, we require a divider. The black color line, increase its width, spacing. Now this will increase the white space between the title and the chart. Effects, background, let's select the gray background, increase the transparency, visual border, make the edges round, shadow, outside, bottom right, the shadow has appeared, header icons. So this is related to the filters on visual, focus mode, and more options. So if I change the background of this, it's related to this. Borders can be made black. Icon colors can also be changed. See this. Transparency can be increased or decreased. So I would prefer that in case of header icons, reset to the default. That is much better. In icons, all this should be on. Now activate the focus mode. The chart is ready. Now you can export the data in CSV format. You can show as table. The layout can be changed. So this was all about shape map in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.